Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Good morning, it's Thursday morning. This is the continuation of the chassis prep where they've got securing all the holding tanks. This is the fresh water, it's 100 gallons. This is resting on the frame. You can see it right down in there. Both sides resting on the frame. Got all the straps. Check underneath here. More straps, plus resting on the frame. We've really beefed up our strapping because these holding tanks flex with the weight of the water, the weight of the gray and black water. So this is a half bath in the front living floor plan, and there's a bath in the back with your black and gray, all strapped in, secure, resting right on the frame. You can see that in there. All your holding tank detection on there, so you can detect your levels. These guys are getting everything buttoned up. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com, and we'll continue watching this.